Hello, and thank you for joining us. I'm Josh Abbott with BioProcess International, and I'm here with Himanshu Gadgil, the CEO of Enzene. And we're going to talk to you for a little while here. We'll start off with a question. Can you please tell me a little bit about your role and the services that Enzene provides?
Hey Josh, great to be here again talking to you. I'm Himanshu Gadgil, I'm the CEO of Enzene. So Enzene is a CDMO, continuously innovative development and manufacturing organization. We are based in Pune, India, as well as Hopewell, New Jersey. And we provide end-to-end services from discovery, clinical manufacturing, commercial manufacturing at two different sites. But what we are known for is the Enzene X, which is the fully connected continuous manufacturing platform.
I see that you are uniquely characterized as a CIDMO, a continuously innovative development and manufacturing organization. What are some key innovations you have brought to the industry, and are you launching anything new at Bio this year?
Yeah, so I think what we are known for is fully connected continuous manufacturing, and we are the only platform that does a end-to-end continuous manufacturing process. So it's important to differentiate between connected and continuous because there are various ways in which you can characterize continuous, right? You can do process intensification or perfusion, those are also continuous. But how our platform differentiates itself is that all of the unit ops are connected, which means in a much smaller manufacturing footprint, we can get a lot higher productivity, and that's where the cost of goods saving come from. And that is why we are unique. And SIDMO, the continuously innovative piece is very important for us because we don't want to just rest after having developed this continuous manufacturing platform that gives almost 60 to 70% lower cost of goods. But we are innovative in terms of how we are building the platform. So we are already on Enzene X 2.0, which is a 1KL continuous manufacturing. We are moving on to introducing process analytics that will be part of that platform. So all of the analytics will be integrated. And next step would be to use AI and ML to see if you can dynamically control the processes. But the other innovation that we are looking at is how we provide access to this platform across the globe. So the next initiative that we are going to do is to enable people to have that platform in their own space, in their own site, to truly localize manufacturing.
So, what are the 5 key features of Nex?
Yeah, so what we are launching here at Bio is our initiative called Nex. So that's the next generation of Enzene X, which is to essentially take Enzene X and plant it across the globe. And so the 5 elements, so the first element really is Sparks, which is development of skilled workforce, because it's not just the technology or the capital that is limiting, but what limits local manufacturing, especially in countries where biotech is not as mature, is access to skilled workforce. So we've developed a module called Sparks, which we've used ourselves to hire, train, and upskill workforce. And that module is the first module that's part of Next. Second, of course, is Enzene X. We spoke about that. Third is the entire facility build-up. We've built 3 facilities in India. Now we've built a facility in US, so we know how to do this very well. So we have this full facility built out. The fourth is our the quality engineering aspect of it. And the fifth is products. We have a lot of products, mostly biosimilars. And so as a part of Next, any company is able to get these 5 elements, that will allow them to go from 0 to 1 in just 3 years and have a clutch of products that they can manufacture locally and also sell and distribute it locally. So that is what Next stands for.
Excellent, thank you. And what sparked the idea for Nex and Sparks?
So I think what we realized is that what Enzene X allows is a capital light manufacturing. That's what the world needs today. A standard fed batch manufacturing plant, you'll have to invest at least $300-400 million before you're able to, commercially use it for commercial manufacturing. Enzene X, because the process is connected and the footprint is small, for a fraction of that amount, less than $100 million, and we've done that in the US, you're able to set up entire manufacturing. We also realize that what limits localization of manufacturing, especially in today's world, right, where supply chains have been severely disrupted, is the access to skilled workforce. And so Sparks allows to build workforce, Enzene allows to be capital light, and what Enzene allows you to do is, with our expertise in facility build-up, in our QMS, which has been audited by most of the regulators across the world, and a set of products that allows countries and companies in various countries to have a clutch of products. So that provides a unique package.
And what are the major benefits of Next implementation for a government institution or biopharma organization?
Look, I think biosimilars are bringing promise of affordability and access across the world. But the technologies don't remain accessible to most of the countries. Probably there are 5, 6, 7 countries in the world that have the wherewithal to do a biologics manufacturing for these complex medicines. What we want to do with Enzene is really democratize access for manufacturing in various places of the world where perhaps talent is not there. And what countries can then access is our complete platform along with products.
So can you speak to how important innovation is, once again, to Enzene, in the sense of what that means to your company and what it means to your customers?
So our entire purpose of Enzene is to democratize access to healthcare, and the only way to do that is to be able to make affordable medicines, and we've done that. We've done that successfully. We have 8 biosimilar products that have been launched in India. We have some of these products that are launched in Europe and getting launched in US very soon. So we've demonstrated it with our own platform. And I think, what we want to do is really propel this cost of goods efficiency across the globe with our next initiative.
So cost of goods is kind of one of the major areas that Enzene is really focusing on.
Yeah, so cost of goods through technological innovations, right? Managing cost of goods through technology innovations and enabling access to these medicines for patients all across the world.
I think our time is about up now. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, pleasure, as always. Thank you.
All right.